Hello, my name is Alice. I wake up early every day. I am a morning person. I get up at 6:30 in the morning and relax for a bit to start the day calmly. Then I go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, and have a shower. I like to feel fresh and ready for the day. After that, I put on my favorite clothes, always something comfortable. I go to the dining room for breakfast. I always find my dad in the kitchen, preparing breakfast for us. We eat together, and I always have a glass of fresh orange juice. It's my favorite. After breakfast, I get ready for school. I take the bus to school. At school, we have different lessons like science, maths, and history. At lunchtime, I have lunch with my friends Liam and Sophia. We talk, laugh, and sometimes share our food. These moments always make my day better. In the afternoon, I continue my lessons. When lessons are over, I take the bus home. If I have homework, I always do it first because I like to finish it early. Dinner is at 7 p.m., and my dad always surprises us with a delicious dessert. My favorite? Chocolate cake. After dinner, I relax by playing games or reading a book. I usually go to bed early, around 9 p.m. I put on my pajamas, brush my teeth, and go to bed. I turn off the lights and fall asleep quickly. On weekends, I sometimes stay up late watching films. Vocabulary. A morning person. Someone who enjoys waking up early and feels good in the morning. Example, I am a morning person. I like waking up early. Bus. A large vehicle that takes people from one place to another. Example, I take the bus to school every day. Dessert. A sweet dish you eat after a meal. Example, my favorite dessert is chocolate cake. Stay up late. To go to bed later than usual. Example, on the weekend, I stay up late watching films. Speaking practice. Repeat after me. Let's practice speaking. Repeat these sentences. My day starts early. I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. I brush my teeth and have a shower. I take the bus to school. Now it's your turn. Tell me about your day. What time do you wake up? What do you do after school?